Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are having a great day. Happy New Year. This is going to be my second ever video on my channel. The first one was the New Year's Eve at Corum Beach. It was beach, seaside, raining at night, New Year's Eve. Very peaceful, really fun. But today I am filming the first video ever that I'm sitting here and talking to you guys, and today we are going to be reviewing the VANICREAM Gentle Facial Cleanser. So this cleanser is a cleanser that got really viral these days. I'm seeing a lot of dermatologists and skincare experts talk about this, use this, and also recommend this to almost all different skin type people. So I was like, you know what, we need to try this, and I need to try this on camera for you. So we are going to do that. We are going to use this cleanser in the morning, and also we are going to try to double cleanse with it. We are going to try to remove our makeup with it, just as I do with every other cleanser product review on my channel. So if you're interested here for it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, let me know if you're new, say hi, and also please subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and make sure to ring the bell notification to receive all of my videos. I will be giving you my final thoughts after using this product for maybe like a couple of weeks, just checking it for any allergies or any reactions or anything, because I have really oily, sensitive, acne prone skin. So if it will work for me, it might work for you as well. I don't know, not a dermatologist, just a fun skincare review. Okay, so it's morning and here is the cleanser. So first things first, you can see it is a pretty bright shiny color, and it's pretty liquidy. So they have added mica, however it's pronounced, added to it, which gives it this shine, like a fluorescent kind of an effect. So we are going to try. Okay, so it does lathers up, as you can see. I think I need a little bit more, a little bit of water, and yes, so here is how the lather looks. Okay, fine. So it does not lather a lot on the face. Like, it has a pretty decent lather, not a lot, but again, this does not have any harsh things added to it. And let's wash it. Okay, so wash is done, and if you could see properly right here, yeah, so you can see I have washed my face. It's pretty clean. I think it has definitely like cleaned my face very gently. So now next we are going to try to use it in order to wash our makeup, do double cleansing with it, and then see. So yes, let's do that. Okay, so it is a couple of days later. It's really late at night, and I have got a little bit of makeup on, so I wanted to try this to remove it all. So we are going to take it and do double cleansing with it, which means I'm going to wash my face twice in order to remove the makeup and clean my face also. Okay, so this is what my face looks like after just one wash from the cleanser. It's a cleanser. It did remove most of whatever was on my face, and you can see this is how it looks. Only the lipstick is still there, because this one is a tattoo lip ink lip color, and I need to scrub my lips in order to remove it. Other than that, it's a cleanser. It did cleanse my face. What else to say? Nothing more. But I'm going to keep on using this cleanser for like a couple of days, maybe a couple of weeks, just to make sure कि कोई reaction नहीं हो रहा है, कोई pimples नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ issues नहीं हो रही, irritation नहीं हो रही है skin पे. तो मैं इसको reuse करती रहूँगी, and then I will film my final thoughts. But because of the magic of editing, you are going to see that next. So I'm going to wash my face once again, just to make sure that everything is off of my face, and then we'll come back with my final thought. Okay, so I'm finally back with the final verdict. It has been many days of us using this product. Me and my husband, we both used it. We both have sensitive, acne prone, oily skin, and I will say that we did not felt any irritation, any reaction, any bad thing happening to us while using the product. It is indeed a very gentle product. It's non-comedogenic, oil free, has no parabens, no gluten, no sulfate, and no soap. So it's like a very simple formula, and it does its job. That being said, I honestly was not in love with the feeling it gave my skin. Sometimes I wash my skin even way too much just to get to a point where I felt clean while using the product, which sounds weird because you are not supposed to overwash your skin because you are just stripping away the moisture. But with this cleanser, I felt like I needed to because it was just too gentle for my really oily acne prone skin maybe. So that's something that I wanted to tell you at the end of this video. And also that the price of this product is actually really nice. It's a pretty affordable product. I purchased this for this price from IHERB. I did filmed my IHERB haul on this channel. I'm going to link that video also down below if you're interested to see. That video also has a bunch of other things that I purchased from IHERB. Anyways, this is overall a really nice cleanser. I get the hype, I get why this product is really viral these days, and I get why dermatologists recommend it so much. The one thing that's added to it that makes it really shiny and glistening like you saw in the video was mica, and mica can be irritating if you have really sensitive skin, but overall it's nothing bad because mica is always added into our makeup products also, so you are anyways using mica one way or another. It is also eczema skin approved, which means that if you have really sensitive dry acne eczema prone skin, it is safe to use in that way also. So everything, including the price, the availability and the ingredients, and it being really gentle and suitable for all skin types, I think this is a very nice product. For me, it didn't felt like the best cleanser out there because it has no salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide or something that would target acne and acne marks and stuff. But other than that, if I need just a gentle cleanser, if my skin is going through a lot, I just need to calm it down, I just need nothing harsh on my skin, I will definitely go for it again. That being said, I am really happy that you are still here watching my video. I have done a bunch of other product reviews that are going to be here on my screen. If you are interested, do check them out. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe right here. Also, make sure to give me a comment down below. If you're new here, say hi, say something. Any feedback, any suggestions are most welcome. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Bye.